Okay, here's Savvy.
He just had
Savvy,
his afternoon snack.
baby. And this is his mommy, Maggie. Maggie. And this is
Great granny.
his great granny. You want to see a message for him?
Do I want to see what?
A message for him? You want to say something to him?
Yeah. Oh, do I want to say something to him?
Yeah.
Oh, bless you, dear.
This is your granny.
That means that they just have to do the pump, reset it.
Okay, there you are.
Look at his little mouth.
Yeah. And this is grandma.
Hi, Stubby.
Look at him, he's like,
I know.
he's so beautifully alert now.
Oh, yeah.
And this is your nurse.
Oh, you don't want to see that.
We had 2 good burps, actually.
Good, okay.
The second time was spontaneous.
Good. You're just going to sit home for a little while?
Yeah, just for another minute.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready.
You might want to know that this is covered in pee.
That's okay, we'll watch it.
Little